Hey, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be talking about the various amazing online upcoming webinar, workshop and training program which is jointly organized by the Ohio State University and the Global One Health Summer Institute. Before coming to the actual video, I do recommend you check the comment box to know more about the upcoming videos, various free online training program, courses, and many conferences, funding, scholarship, and many more things. And please do subscribe to our channel so you never miss any update. And do share our video and YouTube channel subscription links to other social media platform among your colleague and friend groups so they also get equally benefited and they also never miss such kind of opportunity. Now coming to the video. For your convenience, I have highlighted few contents of this program. The color will be indicate type of training program, that is workshop or training program, and yellow color will indicate what things will be covered in this training program or workshop. Also, green color indicates the curriculum and the various activity. This Global One Health Summer Institute training program will be held virtually between June 15 to August 15. That means 3 months long. So this is a good opportunity to learn many things and get training from amazing scientists and world leading institute research organization. You can see here the title of the workshop or training program and date and the instructor and their affiliation. To read more about this program, scroll down and read about it. To register for a specific workshop, please click on the register. There will then in a new tab is a Zoom account registration tab and see the topic of the workshop and description, the timings. Remember that this is an international timing. To convert this timing, you can manually Google it or change the setting in your Zoom account. To register for this program, please fill out these details and use your institute email ID or a general email ID, and then at the last click on register. You will get an email from organizing committee in which you can see the timing of this program and download this timing to your desktop. Click here and download this iCalendar. In this email you have been provided a specific link to join this training program. Please do not share this link to anybody. This is a specific for you. If you have any query, you can return an email it in this mail. Okay, here you are and registering for a workshop and training program. I do wish you all the best and see you in this learning program and in the next video.